你好, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to say green fruits in Chinese. 番石榴、猕猴桃、葡萄、牛油果、青柠檬、无花果、西瓜。夏天是吃西瓜的季节。新疆的葡萄非常甜。这个牛油果还没熟，他吃了5个猕猴桃。在泰国菜中，青柠檬经常被用作调味料。无花果好吃吗？番石榴是一种营养丰富的水果。Tired of reading boring Chinese materials? Check out our Chinese leveled readers based on the HSK standard. Our stories cover a wide range of interesting topics for students of all levels, from beginners to advanced learners. The stories include Pinyin, English translations, and audio recordings read by native Chinese speakers. Learn Chinese the fun way. Ebook, available at Amazon, Apple Books, Barnes & Noble, Kobo. Paperback, available at Amazon.